everybody, welcome back. My name's Amara Andrew, and today we're going to be making a vegan chocolate-covered strawberry mocktail. I love chocolate-covered strawberries, but I'm not able to enjoy them because there's dairy in them, so I figured, why not make my own version in drink form? What? I just had a flashback of like in school when they would sell those chocolate-covered strawberries around Valentine's Day, and you could like buy one for your crush or whatever. I never got one.
Oh.
Nobody ever liked me. I would always be like, maybe this is the year. Maybe since I got a hair straightener, like guys will like me. And no, that's okay. Love yourself, because sometimes people won't, but buy your own chocolate covered strawberry. See, I'm giving you the tools to love yourself. Self-love. Anyway, let's get to the mocktail. Forget those flashbacks. So what you're gonna want to do is take either a coupe glass or a martini glass. I just went with a coupe glass because I like how it looks better. So you're gonna take a lime wedge and just rim your glass. Make sure it's nice and evenly coated. Ugh, there's like lime residue. So what you're gonna do is just put that in your freeze-dried strawberry slices. So I just took about 8 of them and then crushed them up in a sandwich bag. I just used like the back of a bowl and just did that. And then just put them on a plate. Okay, so that's a little chunky, but that's okay. I like chunky. So now that that's rimmed, we're just gonna put that off to the side. Then you're gonna take either a mason jar or a cocktail shaker, put a couple ice cubes in there, and then we're gonna get to the rest of the mocktail. I don't know why I said it like that. It sounded a little weird, but we're just gonna keep going. So then you're gonna take 4 to 6 ounces of almond milk. I'm doing 5 ounces just for the size of my glass, but it'll vary depending on how big your martini or coupe glass is. So take your almond milk, pour it in there. Then you're gonna take 2 ounces of strawberry simple syrup. So the recipe for the simple syrup and for this drink is on my website at amaraandrew.com. So that was dumb. Sorry, there's a hair tickling my arm. I need to take a minute. Okay, I'm back. So take 2 ounces of strawberry simple syrup, pour that in your mixing vessel, and then you're gonna take half a teaspoon of cocoa powder, plop that in there, bloop. Put your lid on, put your top on, and then give it a good shake. You're gonna wanna shake it for like 20 to 30 seconds. I almost said minutes. I was like, that's a very long time. It'll be like a shake weight. Do you remember those shake weights? I remember when they came out and everyone would like giggle and it would be like, your mom has a shake weight. Okay, I think that was 20 to 30 seconds. I don't know, I didn't count. So now you're gonna take your prepared glass and then strain the ice. So you're gonna strain your mocktail into your glass. Look at that chocolatey goodness. Perfect. Bam, so it's done. And then all you're gonna do now is just garnish it with a strawberry that's cut into a little heart. It looks a little scary actually. From this angle it looks better. So then you're just gonna cut a strawberry into a little heart, put it on a cocktail skewer, and plop right in there. My cocktail skewer was a little bit smaller than the size of my glass, so that was my bad. It's supposed to look very cute and just sit on top, but you know, it does the job. Okay, let's take a sip. Did you hear my...
Every time.
I don't know why, that's just how I drink drinks when I'm on camera. Apparently I go... I don't drink like that normally, do I?
No, you don't.
Well, I just learned something about myself today. But see, self-love. I made my own chocolate-covered strawberry. So, anyway. If you are partaking in alcohol, you can totally turn this into a cocktail just by adding an ounce of vodka to it. Just take out an ounce of almond milk and substitute that with vodka. Woohoo! The water of alcohol. Full recipe for this and for the simple syrup, like I said, is on my website at amaraandrew.com. Be sure to like this video, comment your chocolate-covered strawberry memories or flashbacks of horrific chocolate-covered strawberry nightmares. If you ever had chocolate-covered strawberry day at your school, let me know.
Chocolate-covered strawberry nightmare sounds like your spin-off show.
It sounds like a 60s psychedelic band. It's like Strawberry Alarm Clock, but like the cover band of it. So it's like chocolate-covered strawberry nightmares, like too much LSD. Anyway, so like I said, like this video, comment on it, your chocolate-covered strawberry nightmares, and subscribe to my channel. We have plenty, well, Jeff and I have plenty more mocktail videos on there. And yeah, just hit me up. Have fun. Enjoy. Bye.
And why is it chunky?
Why is it chunky?
No. The edges, the rim.
Oh, because... Well, this was from the other video.
I
Because
know.
the line got a little weird. This is the second time we're recording this. I wasn't enthusiastic enough in the first one. I was like, hey, here's your fucking drink. Enjoy. So this is the second time we're recording this. So that's why the strawberry's a little chunky, because it actually has lime juice already in it. But I was going to play it off. Anywho, so now...
The photo on the cover, though, is going to look awesome.
Well, I was going to show that we had two of them, but somebody is drinking all the fucking drinks. That was my Nick Cage impersonation. Was it good? You're drinking all the drinks!
I don't think so.
Well, guess I'm not going to be an actor now. What do I do now? Bye.
Done and done.